Knowing when to scale or sell your online arbitrage business is one of the most important strategic decisions you'll make. In 2026, e-commerce is more dynamic than ever, and understanding whether to expand your operations or cash out can define your long-term success. Let's start with scaling. You should consider scaling your business when you've mastered your systems and have consistent profitability. This means your sourcing, pricing, and fulfillment processes are automated or delegated, and your cash flow supports reinvestment. Scaling is all about multiplying what's already working, adding new marketplaces, expanding product categories, and hiring more virtual assistants or automation tools to handle the workload. Signs that it's time to scale include consistent ROI above 20%, repeatable sourcing success, and inventory turnover that keeps cash flowing without constant manual input. If you find yourself turning away profitable deals because of time or capital limits, that's another clear signal you're ready to grow. When scaling, focus on efficiency before volume. It's easy to double your revenue and lose profit if your operations aren't optimized. Use data dashboards, SOPs, and predictive analytics to ensure you scale sustainably. Reinvest profits strategically. Prioritize better tools, additional inventory, and training your team. Scaling smartly creates leverage and positions your business for long-term stability. Now, let's talk about selling. Selling your online arbitrage business might sound surprising, but it's a legitimate exit strategy that many 6- and 7-figure sellers use to unlock liquidity and move on to new ventures. You should consider selling when your business is stable, profitable, and systemized, but you're no longer motivated to manage or expand it. Buyers look for businesses with predictable income, clean financials, and strong operational systems. If you've built efficient SOPs, consistent sales history, and a team that runs the day-to-day, your business becomes an attractive asset. Marketplaces like Empire Flippers, Flippa, and Quiet Light specialize in connecting sellers with investors looking for established e-commerce operations. Another indicator that it may be time to sell is when your growth plateaus or your personal goals change. Maybe you want to move into private label, real estate, or another business model. Selling allows you to capitalize on your hard work and use that capital to fuel your next opportunity. The best time to sell is when your numbers look their best: strong revenue, rising profit margins, and clean documentation. Don't wait until you're burned out or sales decline. A well-timed sale can generate a 2x to 4x profit multiple, depending on the structure and sustainability of your business. Ultimately, whether you scale or sell depends on your long-term vision. Scaling builds income and control, while selling provides freedom and liquidity. Many successful entrepreneurs even do both, scaling first to increase valuation, then exiting strategically. In 2026, arbitrage businesses are more valuable than ever, thanks to automation and data-driven systems. The key is knowing when to grow and when to let go. Build strong foundations, watch your numbers, and make your move when the timing aligns with your goals.